There are times that when we're at home we want to burst into a dance, we want to waltz around, we want to feel free. And today I've got exactly that. I've got a center for my beginners, adult ballet dancers out there that want to dance, that want to practice different things like port de bras or pas de bourrée or even waltzes just in the comfort of your home. This is the perfect time to do it. It's the perfect way to feel good, feel free, and especially following beautiful music. Before we start dancing though, I wanted to let you know that there is something special coming only for a few days at Lazy Dancer Tips. It's the magical Christmas bundle that we've got coming up. And I wanted to let you know that it is in the description box below. But if you're ready for this, let's start with dancing. Put your frock on and let's move around and dance around your home. Breathe and out. Good. Eggs under the shoulders. Breathe. Arms first, second, and close. Very nice. Again. First, second, close. This time we step behind and we go. Arm, step forward and close. Again, other leg, step behind. Arm, step forward, close. Again, back. Arm, forward, turn the egg, close, and back. Arm, step forward, close, port de bras, forward, roll up, and down, and up, lift, we go plie, 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 yes, with arm. Down, tendu, 2 seconds. Again, little breather with the arms. They're small. Up, bend, stretch, plie, stretch, plie, stretch, and again, plie, stretch, plie, stretch, plie, stretch, other leg. 1, 2, yes, feel the arms. Come back, good. Step backwards, again, back. 1, step forward, lift, and close to the back, back. 1, forward, down. 1 more. 1, forward, close, back. 1, and lift. 1. Coming up, come on, working those legs and arms. Up. Breathe, calm down, and breathe, port de bras. 1, and lift. 1 more. Lift. Chasse side, chasse, and chasse, and chasse, and chasse, in, port de bras, lift, and close, lift, out. Breathe, arms, float, step back, step. Step back. Good. Float. 1, 2, 3. Take 2 steps forward, slow. Forward. Good. Forward. Close. We go. Step aside. In. Little bow. And out. Other side. Step. Down. One more time. Step side. Foot back. And down. And in. Very good. Side. Step back. Thank you. From here, we go chasse side. Therabes. Float. Float. Open. Good. Back to first. Other way, we go chasse. Nice. Float. Float. Open arm. Nice. Close back. Step side. Step aside. And in. Arms up. Good. And again. Side. Up, up. Nice. Good. Step. And you say hello to everyone. And again. 1. Good. And float. The 2 step backs. Back. Back. Float in front. 2 step forward. 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 Chasse side. Chasse. You float. You float. Open side. Back to first. Chasse to first. Other way. 1. Good. Float. Float. Open. Back here. We go. Vertebra. Here. We lift. Down. Lift. Down. Lift. Down. Lift. We go. Float. 2 tippy toes. And higher. Squeeze down. Come back up. Again. 1. And higher. And higher. Squeeze down. We go down, down. Nice and soft. In and again. To the back. Soft. Change. Yes. Soft. In. Soft. Step back. And close. Prepare to balance. 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 And again. Pas de bourrée. 1. Down. 1, 2. Down. 1. Down. Very good. A few more times. And down. Balance other way. Good. Arms in a magical kingdom. Pas de bourrée, higher, high, high. And heel, down, high, high, down. Good. One more. We go to the front. Step aside, other way. Step aside. And again. Step aside and go. And chasse on the knee. Up, lift up, other way, go, chasse, kneel, one arm whatever you like, and balance, side, pas de bourrée, and 1, 2, 3, high, 1, 2, faster. Finito. Remember our Christmas magical bundle that is coming up very soon. I'm going to link it in the description box below for you. More dancing. What else would you want during Christmas time? Remember, it's only for a few days, so don't miss out on this dancing Christmas. See you very soon. Ciao.